Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe out there. Today I'll be making a floor lamp. So I've been saving these empty tape rolls for something, and I finally found something to do with them. I'm going to use them as placers / spacers on my lamp. And I'm actually covering them with these gift bags that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be making a total of 4 of them. Next, I took a mirror out the frame from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to apply my first ice bucket. And then I added my first duct tape roll. Also, I just want you to know that I used hot glue first, and then I went back with E6000 because the E6000 makes the plastic really slippery. So it's best to go ahead and use the hot glue first and then go back around. I also got this bag of pebbles, and I'm just pouring a little bit in each bucket just to make sure that it holds some weight. So I'm doing a total of 5 ice buckets, but if you would like your lamp to be taller, you can do 8. And also the duct tape rolls fit perfectly inside the bottom of the ice buckets. So this will be my 5th / last ice bucket that I'm gluing down, and then I'm going to place the last 2 duct tape rolls on top. I'm adding 2 because I wanted a little bit more height. If I would have thought of it earlier, I would have glued the duct tape rolls together and then added the wraparound, but I didn't think about it until the end, so I decided to just add another piece of wrap around. Next, I'm going to do the lampshade, and let me just say, it looks a little beat up. Come on guys, we're under quarantine, so I can't be out there grabbing all these supplies. So I basically just took the mirror out of that frame, and then this is another mirror that I had laying around, and I'm going to glue that on the other side. Remember what I said, use what you got to get what you want. After I'm done with that, I'm going to place these 2 mirrors on the side, and the lampshade is done. The last thing I'm going to do is add my lights, which I got from my local 99-cent store, but the Dollar Tree also sells the LED lights. This was so easy. I was wondering what I was going to do with those ice buckets. Sometimes I just go to the Dollar Tree and I just pick up things not knowing what I'm going to use them for, but I'm glad I found something to do with them. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.